Tired of endless scrolling in your long Google Docs? Today, I'll show you how to create a clickable table of contents in Google Docs, making navigation a breeze and your documents look super professional. Let's get started. First, make sure your document uses proper heading styles. Highlight the text you want as a heading. Then in the toolbar, click the normal text drop-down and choose a heading level, like heading 1 for main topics and heading 2 for subtopics. Repeat this for all your headings. Now, with your headings formatted, go to the spot where you want your table of contents to appear. Usually at the beginning of your document, click on Insert in the top menu, and then select Table of Contents. You'll see the options, one with page numbers and one with blue links. The blue links option is often preferred for online documents because it creates clickable links that jump directly to the relevant section. Choose whichever style you like best. Voila! Google Docs automatically generates a table of contents based on your formatted headings. Click on any entry, and you'll be instantly taken to that section of your document. What if you add or change headings later? No problem, simply make your edits to the document. Then, click the refresh icon, which looks like a circular arrow, in the top left corner of your table of contents. Google Docs will automatically update the table to reflect your changes. To customize the appearance, you can't directly edit the table of contents itself, but you can change the formatting of the headings throughout your document, and the table of contents will reflect those changes. Highlight the heading and select the formatting you prefer. And that's it. A perfectly organized Google Doc with a clickable table of contents. Now you can navigate large documents with ease, making it a win-win for readability and professionalism. Happy editing!